everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am doing my Sephora VIB Rouge haul. I'm a little late, but hey, better late than never. And if you want to see it, keep watching. Alright, so I have this bag here, and also I have these as well. And you know, since this comes twice a year, I figured I might as well do my early birthday gift and Christmas for myself and before the sales end. And this is what I got. Most of them are eyeshadow palettes just because I am in love with eyeshadow palettes. I can't get enough of them. I purchased the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice right there. And this one I have used once already, but it looks like that. The other one I've got was this Dominique Cosmetics. This one was on sale, so on top of that I got 20% off. There. And that. The others are, what is this? Oh, the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. That. And it looks like that. I've also purchased the Naughty from Huda Beauty. Like that. I got one of the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is this one. This is really pretty. It almost looks 3D when you look at it, but I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. So it's this one that I've purchased. I'm just gonna go quick on this because in some of them I will do a review on it. I've got the Bejewelled Eyes palette from Charlotte Tilbury. That. I've got the other Dominique Cosmetics. I have the berry one as well. That's the first one I have. And I've got these as well, since I do like them. Right there. Also this Salted Caramel. Just trying to get the box open here. That. And like this. It smells good. Also purchased She's So LA. This is from Partrick Ta. This is the darker one, and I have used this one a few times already. It's like this. Out of all this, I got 2 blushes. So this is the one, and let's see if I can find the other one here afterwards. I also got Tutu from Dior. This one I've used yesterday and I do like it. That I have two older palettes that I've had for a long time. And this is the purple shades. The other one is the soft cashmere. Just like that. And Mitzah. This one I couldn't find online. I've also looked at, I've been to 3 Sephoras, and the third one that I went to had it, so I was quite surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be there. And this is this one here. This is Makeup by Mario. And this is the, I'm just trying to look which one this is, but it's the bronzy one. I don't know where the name is. Oh, hello. It's Bronzey Glam right there. So it looks like this. This one I've used once as well. And the other one that I've got from him is his other palette, smaller palette, Rosy Glam. Just trying to open it. There you go. Other is, oh, this is the other blush that I purchased, Pillow Talk Intense from Charlotte Tilbury. Looks like that, and looks like this. I also got two, not bronzers, these are highlighters. This one I've used and I do like it, from Charlotte Tilbury as well. This is her Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter, is just what it says there. And it looks like this. This is the other highlighter that I got. This is Rose Gold Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. Whoa, that's bright. And it's this one here. There. I've also got this thing. I've heard about this and I want to try it because my scalp is so dry, especially now that it's almost winter time and I color my hair, so I find it's getting really dry. So I want to try this. So it's this. It's for your scalp. And it says scalp shampoo and hair repair mask. There you go. This was $67 and 20% off as well. So this is gone. And the other item I got is this Gucci Eclat Soleil powder, bronzing powder. I got the one in tan and look how pretty that is. It's got a little pouch. And this one I've tried once too. Looks like that. But I love the color on it. It's so pretty. I've also gotten This is the Dazzling Diamond. Palette right there. Along with the one online that I've got also, along with this, is this one. This is the Glam palette from Natasha, Denona. Look at how nicely packaged this one is. It's still in the big box like this. Wow. So it looks like that. And right there, look how pretty that is. I just can't get enough of eyeshadows. Like, okay, and the last one here in this little box is Tom Ford Honeymoon. This one I have on today. So it looks like that. And it looks like this. And the other Tom Ford that I purchased is Nude Dip. Might try this tomorrow. It looks like that. But see how crazy that is? So pretty much everything in here are eyeshadow palettes. And I also bought the Dominique cosmetic. This is the Latte palette. The other one was Latte 2. So like that. And also these were on the sale area. This is Christy, and let's see. Look at how pretty that is. I'm opening it, I'm not even showing you guys. Mc Grath. Like that. How pretty. There. And the swatch is here. And the other one that I purchased, this is my last one in here, is Flash 3. This one, it just looked different on the picture. I thought it was lighter than this, but when you swatch it, it's a little too dark. But see, on the picture that they had online, it looks different than that. So there. I have a few more items coming, but obviously it's gonna take a while for it to arrive here just because a lot of people are ordering online as well. So, but this is pretty much what I got at the Rouge and VIB sale. And yeah, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys got too, because I'm nosy that way. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time.